it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon Media. I am here with Taylor Smith of Novak Hair Studios in Fort Worth, Texas. She is here with the whole salon group. It's so cool. They took over an entire artist session. And I looked over, and Taylor's doing the coolest thing with a crimping iron, and you're using a model with real hair, and you're doing wefts, and you said you do treat them differently. So tell us how you do the weft differently.
So first you want to really put some good heat protectant in it, and then you'll want to get your crimper on the highest setting and make sure you have really good elevation and tension.
Yeah, and you're really pressing there.
Yes.
Would you press this hard? Well, we're going to go over to the regular natural hair. What am I calling it? Regular hair? Is it natural hair? What would you call it? The human hair?
Natural.
But this is human hair, right?
This is human hair too.
If you did this on a weft that was not human hair, what would happen?
If you did this on a weft that was not human hair, oh God, it would disintegrate. It would probably just burst into flames right in front of you.
That's a really good tip of the day, that make sure it's human hair. And then you're going from roots to ends, and I noticed that you are overlapping a little bit. Is that for your end result?
Yes, that's just to make sure that I really get that good texture in there. I'm not looking for a uniform look. This will be in a crown braid, so I really just want to make sure we get that fun texture in there to be sure to get some volume.
And I kind of really love, we're going to go over to the model, but I kind of love how you just built in a bunch of wefts here, right? Did you just take one weft and build it into another?
This is actually a cool thing from Hot Heads called the band, and it can just wrap right around your head. So it's actually pretty easy for photo shoots. You just take it right on and off and put it right on in the head.
Oh, that's so cool. All right, so let's go over to your model, and then just show us how you do it differently on a real human person. I mean, talk about elevation, tension, and again, you do a heat protectant, correct?
Yes, always start with the heat protectant. The only difference on a human head is that you won't want to put it on the highest setting, but you'll want to get somewhere in the 400, over 350 for sure. Start at the base, get a good elevation out of it, about 90 degrees from the head, and start right in here.
And she's got a great head of hair, but look what this did. I mean, this really kind of blew it up.
Totally not like this before. She's got some volume now for sure.
But she does have great hair. So anyway, I'm so excited about to see the finished result. It's going to be huge. Yes, I have a feeling. So again, thank you for coming today, and I hope you have a good shoot.
Thank you, Maggie. Thank you.